Good morning, students. In the previous video, I have demonstrated how to create Scratch, utilize Scratch program that has been installed in Windows 10 system. So from the website, you have to download and install it in your system and run the software. Now I will demonstrate the same one which provides creating programs through online. The main advantage here is that I need not to register in their website. Straight away you can start coding and you can download your code in your system, and also you can upload which is already stored in your computer. See now, this is the URL for Scratch, that is https://scratch.mit.edu. Edu stands for education. MIT is a name of well-known, most popular and highly prestigious educational university, that is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Many of technological innovations are done in these universities. Now we'll go to the browser. Open any browser. You need not to open the Chrome. You can open in any recent browsers and type the address, that is scratch.mit.edu and press enter key. It opens the website. Depending on the connection speed of internet to your system, it may take some time, but here it is very fast, so I got the page very quickly. See now, this is the beginning page of the Scratch website, and I can download the softwares from the link given. The given link is below. So here it is, download link. You can click here also. So it provides support for software, that is to draw the projects through online. So here is download the Scratch app for Windows, for Mac OS, for Chrome OS. Chrome OS is separate one, and for Android. To select the software or operating system, click on download link, then you will get the software. But one thing it is, remember, for Android your phone must be a tablet model. If it is tablet model, it will works, otherwise it will not works. Now I will come into the beginning part of the website. So this is the first screen when I load the page initially, and you have the sign in option also. You can create your account, then register in their site, then you can store the files in their cloud storage provisions. But I will not create the account here. I straight away will go to the create. Here is beside the logo of the company, that is one option, that is a menu, that is create. Command here, click. So it will provides the project development environment same as that I shown in the previous video. As it takes some time initially because it has to load lot of JavaScript libraries, so it will take some time depending on the speed of internet. So wait for some time. It is loading the sprites, loading the sounds, likewise all the necessary modules of the project, and once the loading is completed, our screen is ready. See now, this is the initial introduction window. You need not to read now, you can do it later, so I will safely close it. So close the window. Whatever the features I have shown in the previous video, where the Scratch software is installed in Windows. That means I can create the Scratch project offline. So once it is installed in the Windows, I don't need any internet connection. Straight away go for creating Scratch projects. But in this case, I am working in the Scratch website provided, that is the online editor. So I need a very high speed internet connection. So in your system you should have a very high speed internet connection to work on this online platform. And all those blocks are same here is for motion, looks, sound, events. These are all already shown to you. See, now I can create a new one, or if you have created already in your and you have stored in your computer, you can load here also. So for that, I'll go to the file. There is the option new one is already ready, that is empty screen is here. Load from your computer and save to your computer. If you have done something here, then you can save it to your computer also. And again I am repeating the same point, I have not registered in their website. Registration is not mandatory, but you can do it such that you can store the files in their website, then you can access them whenever you connect to the internet anywhere in the world. So now I'll go for the second option, load from your computer. Select here, then dialog file will come. Here is file open dialog. You go to your location. Here I am using Linux operating system, so file open screen may not be familiar to you. So I have already selected where it is located. So just come to the folder where it is located, and here this is the file that I have just created in the previous window. I will open it. Okay, see now the Scratch project has been loaded to our Scratch editor platform, and the same backdrop, that is chalk room here is, and the same sprite, the name here is Devin, and whatever the code I have entered there, the same is created here also. That means it is loaded from our computer. So when I click on the green flag button in the maximized screen, I will get the same effect. So initially num1 is initialized to 0, num2 is initialized to 0, and there is one hello option. If you don't want this, then you can remove it also. See, this is just drag it and keep it in some other place. Then again select this one. So then press delete key after selecting this, then the remaining part join here. See now one block has been removed from the project. So now num2 enter value for 1, that is ask block, and wait here. That means it will wait for your input. Whenever inputted value that is answer, that answer is set to num1. Same is for num2. Afterwards here is the addition operation, and here it shows values entered in num1 and num2 are added and will get a output. So here is, then say some, saying sum is for 1 second, then say sum. Okay, I have not given the time limit. Here is, I will remove it, I will change it to another one. So for example here it is looks, say sum is for 2 seconds. Here is the variable, I will just select this and place it in the hello world, and I will remove this. I don't need this say. Just select this say block, and I will join the stops word, that stop block, and stops all scripts. there is only one script, so that is the script here is. If there are more than one script, then it stops all here also. So this is the project development. Here also I can store this. Observe here is file, save to your computer, select this one, and it will opens a file dialog window. I got the different one. I will go to the location where I want to store it. So this is the location, and I will select the name file which is already created and select save. It will ask for overwrite. If it's the same file you want to overwrite it, then select replace. Now here is when I click on the hello button, a green flag button, it starts with the first two blocks are immediately executed. Then enter value for num1, that is ask. He is asking for input, that is I will give one value 45. Click on arrow symbol or enter key. Then he is asked for num2, that is whatever I given the information, that is 45 is assigned to num1, that I can verify here also. Here is one, and for the second one it will be 55. Let's say it is 55. Click on arrow symbol, then I will get the output immediately. Observe that for num1 it is 45, num2 is 55, and sum is 100, and we got the same thing. So it is, I can run this control window in full screen also, that is maximized. Select this maximum icon. See now, I will not get the yes, but I can run it by clicking on green flag. Observe that num1, num2 are initialized. Sum is not initialized, so I can improve it by adding one more initialization, that is 0. So then it will improve the code. So now I will enter the value 50. 50 is here, and click on arrow symbol or press enter key. It is for num2. Say it is 59. Again I will enter. I will press enter key or arrow symbol, and I got the answer here is sum is 109, and it completes the program execution. To stop the execution, click on the pink button that is beside to green flag. So stop it, and to restore the size of the control window, click on minimize window. So now it is comes to its original size. So this is for running your program in coding platform, that is Scratch. Similar to this, there are some other options also there. Some other coding platforms also available in the internet. You can practice there also. So this is for your syllabus as they are mentioned in Scratch. So Scratch is a coding platform. So I have made some changes in my code. So I want to update it. So for example, there is go to file, save to your computer, select the location and select the file, or if you want to save it in a new file, you can save there also. Click on save. It will ask for replace. If you are sure about this, select replace and click OK. So this is for creating, running, saving and loading the existing Scratch project in online editor. So whatever I am demonstrate right now, it is online editor through internet connection. Okay students, here it completes the introduction to Scratch program software, so both offline and online. Thank you. In the next video we will go for solving remaining programs in our systems. So let's stop here is once again thank you.